All right, here it is. The 48 volt 105 amp hour LifePo 4 golf cart battery. We're gonna unbox it, install it, and take it for a spin to see what kind of power this thing's packing. This battery is built for performance and reliability. It's lightweight, maintenance-free, and packed with enough juice to make your old lead-acid setup feel like a flip phone next to a smartphone. First impression, solid packing. You can tell by the design that it's safe for shipping. And inside you've got the battery wrapped and protected, your main power cables in a box, and the cable screws. You'll also find the quick start sheet with wiring info and Bluetooth monitoring instructions. We'll get to that part in a second. Let's get this beauty out of the box. Even at 105 amp hours, this LifePo 4 weighs less than the old lead-acid batteries it's replacing, roughly half the weight for the same or better runtime. That means easier handling and better performance once it's installed. First, you've got your positive and negative terminals clearly marked. And here's the integrated BMS, the battery management system. That's what keeps it balanced, protected from overcharge or deep discharge, and basically makes sure you never have to worry about battery babysitting again. To install it, make sure you remove the old batteries first. Get those guys out of here. We're going from 6 to 1. And super cool. Make sure the cables are clean, organized, and there's enough space for the new battery. Next, drop the new LifePo 4 in the center of the tray, making sure the terminals line up with your existing cables. You can add foam spacers or tie-down brackets if you want a snug fit, or some things underneath it like boards to keep it level. That'll keep vibrations to a minimum during your rides. Now, connect your main positive to positive, negative to negative, nice and tight with the new screws. No play in the terminals. Next up, Bluetooth monitoring. Just download the app listed in the quick start guide, pair your phone, and you'll see live stats, voltage, current draw, charge level, and even temperature. It's a great way to keep tabs on your performance while you drive. Throw the seat back on and you're good to go. All right. Moment of truth. Key on, voltage is solid, and throttle. The torque hits instantly. That's the biggest difference you'll notice with LifePo 4. Consistent power delivery. No sag, no sluggish starts. Whether you're on a flat ground or climbing a hill, it just pulls clean and strong. And because this battery maintains voltage throughout the discharge curve, you'll get the same punch at 80% charge as you do at full, or even where we're at 49%. Right now, we're pulling about half the amps the old lead acid used to draw for the same acceleration. That means cooler cables, less stress on the controller, and way better range per charge. Back at home base, the voltage barely dropped, only 1%. No heat, no smell, no acid mess. Just clean, efficient power. And the best part, this LifePo 4 battery is rated for over 4,000 cycles. That's easily 10 years of use for most golf carts, with consistent performance the entire time. So that's the 48 volt 105 amp hour LifePo 4 upgrade. Lighter, faster, smarter, and maintenance free. If you're still running lead acids, this is the single best upgrade you can make for your golf cart, hands down. My name's William. This is the Crypto Bull channel. Stay tuned for more awesome product reviews. You guys stay classy out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.